Alright, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to be talking about GPS trackers that may be installed on your car when you buy it from a new car or used car dealer. Alright, so each state has different laws when it comes to GPS trackers on vehicles. In my case, I live in Ohio. The laws are really vague. So I just recently purchased this new 2025 Honda HR-V from a local Honda dealer. When I was going through the buying process, the first clue that there might be something installed on this vehicle was when I looked at the key tag, that comes on every new and used car that you buy. On the back, there was this little sticker, and there was a serial number and an IMEI number. And I thought, well, that's kind of strange. These Hondas do not have any kind of factory telematics modules in them from Honda. So why would there be an IMEI sticker on my keys? Then I googled the part number real quick, came up with a quick search on what appeared to be some kind of little tracking device. So at that point, I just stopped right there and I asked the salesman before I left the building, I said, "Is there a GPS tracker on this car?" And he said, No, I don't think so. Which is a lie, obviously. So there's two things that I don't know. So I don't know if this GPS tracker that was installed in my car, it obviously, I would say, was installed. They put it on all of their cars when they get them in. Now, whether they activate it or not, I'm not sure. Maybe it depends on the type of financing you get. Maybe it depends on your credit score. But what it's there for is so if you don't make your payment, they can find your car. So even though they told me there wasn't one in my car, I didn't believe them. I came right home and immediately found it, and I'm going to show you what to look for to see if you have one on your car. All right, let me just put this disclaimer out there real quick that if you sign some kind of finance agreement that allows them to have a tracker on your car, and then you take it off, you could be in violation of the agreement and they could repo your car. So I just want to throw it out there that you may have signed away your rights to do this. In my case, that's not so. They have no right to put anything on my car. So what I did is came home, I looked up underneath here. Usually you can spot these pretty quick because it's where your OBD2 port plugs in. Make sure you can see this. So right there, okay? So it looks a little messed up, but the key is, if you look up behind it, see, I already have it unplugged. You see the white OBD2 port there? That was plugged in to a splitter. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. And I could see that there was more going on up there than there should have been. So the factory OBD2 plug is the white one, and they had the black one snapped down through where you would plug in a scanner. So to get to that, I needed to remove a few panels. I had these kind of loose already on here. So see, this stuff just comes off. So this OBD, or this tracker, was right here mounted on top of the BCM, and it was attached with a little bit of double-sided tape, and then this wiring harness was zip tied in there. Okay, so this is the device. So I took it apart. It has a LTE chip in it and a GPS receiver. It's pretty simple. It just gets power and ground, and then data right there. So it is able to read vehicle data about your car. I don't know what all vehicle data it can read, but probably mileage and stuff like that. So if I spread this out here so you can see it. So here's the splitter I'm talking about. I plug that into the factory OBD2 port, stick this one down through there, try to make you think that everything's okay. And then this is hidden up on your dash, constantly drawing power even when the car is off. So this can actually cause a lot of problems. You can run your battery down without you even knowing it. The fact that they would install this on there, even if they didn't activate it, I don't know. That troubles me. I've got a problem with that, especially since they lied to me. So I still haven't dealt with that side of it. Trying to figure out what I'm going to do to address this with them, if anything. So it's important to get it off of there. All you have to do is unplug it, the splitter in this case, and then we'll take our, unplug this, that's out of the way. It's important to put your factory OBD2 port back where it belongs. And that's easy. It's that easy. It's not like it's, you know, in this case with this module, which is a very common one, it can't really shut down your car. Now, if you see more wires coming off of it and there's like some kind of starter interrupt, it might take a little more work to get it off of there. Sometimes they put a module in where it will disable you to be able to start the vehicle. I don't know if they could do that with this one or not, but I just wanted to make a quick video, show you what to look for. Again, you're mainly going to be looking, the most common form is they just get a splitter for the OBD2 port here. Sometimes it's hard to see, you really got to look up behind there. But if you see anything extra going on with that, that's your first clue. Like I said, in my case, it was pretty easy to spot really quick. So hopefully that was helpful. If you would, leave me a comment below if you've had any experience with this, especially if you know like the laws regarding this type of thing. And until next time, thanks for watching.